This has got to look hilarious, people. I'm taking this out. Look at this. Look at this. Gotta try something? You filming?
Yes.
Cool. We're gonna give this a try down here. It's open water. It's moving. The water's moving. There could be some pike sitting here. Maybe a big perch. I don't know. We'll give it a try. It looks really good in the water. It costs $5. $5. It's a Fladden, 18 gram. Scary tail is what it's called. Scary tail. Let's get up here in this tent. See what we can do over here on this side a little bit. Cast like a... You see how far it casts? I didn't even cast it hard. Once the line's getting like pulled out and straightened out, it casts nice. We'll retrieve this as slow as possible without getting hung up on the bottom. Just jerking it a little bit, making it twitch, just to see if they'll hit it. If they won't, yeah, we're gonna be going home with no fish. I mean, cause I'm moving it real slow. Let it sink down. There's a nice little current here, so you'd think they might be sitting somewhere just waiting for some food to just pass by. That's Melanon. Nice! I think I got it. Yeah, got it. Ha! Ha ha!
So, ice fishing.
Whew! Almost got real pissed off right there, people. Almost got real mad. It's snowing. This is what we don't need right here. This white shit. Not helping me get on the ice. Oh!
Was it a fish?
Yeah. Right there. Right there. Right there. See if he'll hit it again. Alright, we're done, people. It's snowing. There's water. I'm not wet, but there's no fish really interested. I had one bite. It's fun to be out casting a rod. It's alright. It's the new fishing pole. It's the Abu Garcia Black Max. Swedish engineered. It's a super nice little reel. And the Berkley Cherrywood HD, none of which are my sponsors. So, we'll just put that out there right now. You can be. No, I have no problem with it. And this bait, this little jerk swim, whatever you want to call it, little jerky tail, happy tail, is made by Fladden, and it's called the Scary Tail. And it's 18 grams. It looks real nice in the water. Like I said, pike hit it. We didn't catch any fish. We're going to get on the ice on Sunday. I don't give a shit if there's 8 feet of snow. We're going to get on the ice. I'm going to fish with my boy, like I said, Liam. We're just going to do it. Catch the fish. Or not. Stay tuned. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. That's what you got to do.